this. You can calculate 5 plus 15. Just keep it to yourself. Don't say anything. We will show you how smart Professor Rock is. No hints, no help. Professor Rock, you ready? He's very confident. Meanwhile, we start giving the numbers in random order just to confuse Professor Rocky. Okay, numbers are ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's see. 5 plus 15. No hints, no help. Here we go. Can he do it? First number is 2. First number is 2. Let's see whether he can get the second number. Can he do it? Thinking very hard. Did he get the correct answer? Is the answer 20?